And this is where we pay the fee to get up. Buenos días.
Wow, this walk, this hike, oh wow, okay. I thought going up the Tikal Mayan ruins was something, but wow, this is something. Look how high we are already. We're like pretty much touching the sky. Woo. Taking a minute now to take a rest. Hopefully this is the midway point because we still have a long ways to go. And see you at the top. This was worth it. This was worth the hike for this beautiful, breathtaking scenery. So gorgeous up here. Peaceful, beautiful, just absolutely magnificent. Wow. Look at this awesome view. Just absolutely amazing. Feel like saying I'm on top of the world, like literally. Oh my goodness, this was, look at the beauty, look at all of the art. The artwork goes all around the walkway. Just amazing. Just absolutely amazing. And we were told sometimes the Mayan come here and they do special celebrations and stuff like that. So it's a very sacred place for them. And I absolutely appreciate it. Absolutely. There's more to see, a lot more to view. I'm still catching my breath because it was a hike. Look how high we are. Look at how high we are. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. There's more to see. We're gonna interrupt people's photo shoots right now as we go down. There's lots more to see. Didn't want to interrupt their shot, but this is just beautiful. This is another level to observe this beautiful view. And observe this beautiful lake. So I hope you enjoyed this breathtaking view. I hope you enjoyed it, you know, because it was a hike and I think it's absolutely amazing, and I'm glad that I was able to share this little adventure with you. So coming down, it's a lot more easier. I'm not winded. I feel good. But it was absolutely worth it going up. But again, coming down has been a lot easier than going up. And it's still a magnificent view going up and down. And wow, it's just I'm still like amazed from what I just observed on top. It was worth it and just absolutely amazing. And we're going to continue our journey down and see, what happens as we continue our journey here and just enjoying this view down the hill. So right now we're getting ready to head on a round trip to Panajachel. It's a 20-minute ride. It's about 100 quetzales, which is about $20. $14.
Yes.
We're getting ready to head to Panajachel right now. It's a round trip ticket. It's about 100 quetzales, which is about $14 US. It's a 20-minute boat ride. We're going to get off and just kind of tour Panajachel for a few hours and then come back. And we will see you on the other side, okay?
Where are we, Sean?
We are Lake Panajachel. It's been a while since we've been here. We haven't been here for several years. So it's very excited to be back here. We're very excited to be back here. The last time we were here, we were with Mama Mimi, Papa Tonito, Isani, and the grandkids. So it's been several years. So we're glad to be back here, and we're gonna start our tour, walking around and visiting all the different shops and hopefully picking up a few souvenirs for family and friends back home. Just enjoying the view of Lake Panajachel right now. As you can see, it's a nice, beautiful, clear day. Yeah, this lake is so beautiful.
Lake Atitlan, City of Pana.